right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. So if you want me to teach you how to make these delicious cheesecake brownies, stay tuned. You're going to want to know how to make these because these are amazing. So to one large bowl, you're going to want to add you 1 cup of super fine, I repeat, y'all, super fine almond flour. Let me show you the brand that I use. Ta-da! Look at this brand, you guys. This is the best out there on the market. I've used tons of almond flour, and I'm telling you, this one here by Bob Red Mill is the best, okay? This is the nutrition facts on it. Take a look at it if you just want to sum up, get a general idea what's in this package. It's all good for you. I'm telling you, that's the best almond flour to use. Then you're going to want to use 1 cup of powdered sugar substitute, you guys. I like to use powdered sugar substitute because it blends well in my baked goods, especially in the brownies, guys. This brand is another go-to of mine. It is the best for buttercream frostings, you guys. It's the best to incorporate in your baked goods because it dissolves well, and then you don't want it to be grainy from like different type of sugars that you use. So just the go-to for your desserts are going to be the powdered sugar for your brownies. Then you're going to want to use 1 heaping tablespoons of black cocoa powder. You're going to want to use Dutch cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder till you're dry. Mix it well. Try to get all the lumps out of it just like any other baked goods. You're going to want to get all the lumps and bumps out of it. Make sure it's real fine, real smooth. It just makes it for a better bake. Also, to your bowl, you're going to want to add you 2 large eggs, you guys. And then you're going to want to add you a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/3 cup of olive oil. And here's the secret. You're going to want to add you a 1/2 cup of sugar-free milk chocolate sauce. I tell you guys how I made that in another vlog if you want to learn how to make that. Because if you notice, I didn't use any type of liquid. It's going to be that sauce that's going to make this brownie mixture look as decadent as it does. Take a look at that, you guys. It is made with almond flour, but you cannot tell. Absolutely cannot tell. And then to your brownie mixture, let's take it up a notch with some goodness. Add you 1 cup of Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips, you guys. You want that extra chocolate goodness in your brownies, and give that a good mix. Take a look at that batter. It's so smooth. It's so delicious. You could just eat this by the spoonful. I promise you, it's so good. Then you're going to want to add that to your baking pan, all right? Major key, make sure that you spread that brownie mix evenly in that pan, and make sure you get to the edges of your pan with the brownie mix, because you want even brownies all across the board, you guys. Then let's go ahead and start on our cheesecake mixture. 1 package of room temperature cream cheese. I like Philadelphia. Again, you're going to want to add you a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar substitute, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you're going to want to give this a good mix. Y'all, I got to change my utensils because it's not working for my soul. Now I had to get the auntie arm going, you guys, to make this smooth. And now that everything is all smooth and incorporated, you're going to want to spread that all over your brownie mix, you guys. And then you're going to smooth that out. Make sure to cover your whole brownies from top to bottom, side to side. And then take a spatula or a fork and kind of mix it in. And then add you some extra chocolate chips on top. You guys, who doesn't love extra chocolate chips when it comes to brownies? I mean, I do, inside and out. Bake for 350 for 45 minutes. Your dessert should look like this when you take it out, you guys. Lovely, isn't it? Now take a look at these brownies. Tell me these things don't look decadent. They are so amazing, so good, low carb, which is great for people who have ailments that can't have refined or processed sugars, you guys. Try these brownies. You will be pleased, and so will your family. Thank you for coming to the vlog, and enjoy.